So in our last video, we learned how to take our favorite of the four logos, shrink it down by 50%, and place it inside the layout. Now that we've done that, let's go ahead and learn how to create something called a viewport so we can see uh, this. This is the thing we're actually handing in for a grade here. So we need to set that up so that it's viewable. So type in viewports. There it is, viewports. We're going to go ahead and we have a big choice here, but let's pick single. Okay. And now it says specify first corner. We're going to float in this corner until we can find the plus sign. There it is. Click, release, drag, click. Now there's everything. So the thing is, we want to be able to zoom in just on the stuff that we're handing in, not all this other stuff. So there's two ways to activate this viewport. I can either click on paper, and now I could work the viewport, or I can double click inside the viewport like this and it'll activate it. So what I'm going to do now is zoom in on my logos, try to get them as centered as I can. And we're going to go ahead and click, we can click elsewhere, double click, or we can click on where it says model and it'll change to paper. So you see that switches back and forth, model, paper. We want to be on paper because the most important part is we've got to go in. We're going to double click here, and that's going to allow you to edit your name. I won't do it, but you can. Once you do that, click elsewhere, and then the assignment name, you want to go ahead and click that and change that. We would type in logo for that, and then you could change the date. NTS means not for scale. Unless you have another teacher that's not me, you would change that. Otherwise, you're fine. And then don't do anything for this because we're only doing a single sheet, so you don't need to number the sheet. And that pretty much sets it up. Now we'll do the next video. I'll show you how to turn this into a PDF, and you can post it and have it ready to hand in.